If Rust is crashing for you on a frequent basis and you're unable to run the game without running into problems, I have a list of solutions here that may help you out with your problem. So, the first thing you want to try doing is running Steam as administrator. You want to right-click on Steam, and you want to click on Run as Administrator. You'll click Yes, and then that should open Steam, and then you want to boot Rust from this menu right here. You just click on Rust, and you click on Play. And then that should boot up Rust just fine, and you'll be able to play normally. If not, you can try checking for driver updates. You want to head on over to Google Chrome. You want to type in GeForce. Select that. You want to head over to this link right here. Go over to Drivers and click Download Now. It should download the GeForce Experience installer. It'll take just a second. I'll just exit that because I already have it. And I'm just going to access it right here. GeForce Experience. And you want to head over to Drivers and download whatever your latest driver is. For me, it's right there, so I'll just download that. And this should help you out. As you download your driver update, you want to restart your computer, and then you want to boot up Rust and see if that helps out. If not, then we'll try something else. If running as administrator and updating your game drivers wasn't enough and you're still running into problems, you can try checking Rust file integrity. You want to head on over to Steam, and you want to access your library, click on Rust, head on over to the right side of the page, you'll see this little settings cog, click on that, go over to Properties, and under Installed Files, you just want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. It should take a second, just click on Yes if any notifications pop up. Just click on Yes, it'll take a second, it'll verify the integrity of your files, make sure everything is in place, nothing's corrupted, everything's working fine. And if something is wrong, it'll automatically repair it for you. You won't have to do anything, and you can try booting up Rust again and seeing if that helps you out. If not, then we'll move on to the final solution that I have to offer you. We'll see if that helps you out. The last thing I'll have you try is increasing the amount of VRAM your computer allocates for Rust and other games. So you want to head on over to your search bar, you want to type in Advanced. You want to open, click that too fast, View Advanced System Settings. You want to open that. You want to head on over to Advanced over here. Under Performance, you want to click Settings, Advanced. You want to click Change. Untick this, go to Custom Size, and type in 4090 and then 4090, like that. You want to hit on Set, OK, OK, Apply, and OK, and then OK. It'll prompt you to restart your computer. You should do that. I'm not going to, but you can try doing that. Try booting up Rust, see if this helps you out, and I hope your problem has been fixed. If not, you can question me in the comments. I'll try to respond, help you out, and I'll see you guys a different time.